Starbucks gift card on the application. In this video, you are going to learn how to put Starbucks gift card on the mobile application. So let's get started. The first step is go to Starbucks application in your mobile phone, and then in the mobile phone application, you will see a screen like this. From this screen, in the bottom of the screen, you will see an option that says gift with a gift shape icon. Tap on this icon and you will see this screen. In this screen, tap on this option that says got a gift card, add it here. Then you will see two options. The first one is join Starbucks rewards and the second one is sign in. If you tap on the option that says join Starbucks, you will get rewards and some star points. And if you click on the sign in option, you will see you will have to redeem your code and a form like this will appear if you click on join Starbucks as reward section. Fill all of your details and click on the icon that says join now. That's how you will be able to put Starbucks gift card on the application. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.